Okay, so this is the newest update on our new 13 classroom edition. As you can see, a large portion of the roof has been installed, other than this section right here. So they are really getting close to enclosing all this in. They're working on some electrical and lighting up there for us. And this is going to be a handicapped accessible ramp, which will then lead to our 5th grade wing attached to our building. So as I'm walking up this, you'll see there's our 5th grade wing. And then again, there'll be some stairs here going out onto what eventually will be our new playground area. So this is off of our main hallway. You can see a lot of new plumbing has gone in, which is exciting because on this side, I believe, is our future girls' restroom. It's a little dark in here, but you could see all the little hookups. So they've been doing a lot of plumbing work on this part of our building. Okay, so this will be a quick little video, but I am standing on the inside of our new front entrance, and you can see now it's starting to look like a front entrance. Those in the future will be our front doors and windows. This area will again be our office area, which is our previous office area, only much bigger. You can see how they've expanded the wall out, so several feet bigger from our previous office, which is exciting. So just kind of a little bit different angle there for you. So this was our previous office, and then the expanded area. That over here is gym, the new gym, which hasn't really changed much from the last video. This is what our future front office or lobby area looks. And again, pretty similar to the last video, although you can see lots of brick and things coming in. So I feel like things are moving pretty quick. And hopefully when we come back from winter break, we'll see a lot of different things here for us. All right, I'm outside in our new addition, and this is my friend Patrick. And Patrick, can you tell us what your job is?
I'm a carpenter. Right now I am cutting the joists for the outside, so you guys have a cantilevered roof. And yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you. All right, we'll watch you in action, so go ahead. We'll step away.